Hey there! Welcome back to English Unveiled. I'm Elena. Have you ever felt like your brain is a leaky bucket? Leaky means it has small holes and water escapes from it. You spend hours learning wonderful new English words. You pour them into the bucket. But the next morning, you wake up, you look inside, and the bucket is almost empty. The words are gone. It's a frustrating feeling, isn't it? It makes you think, maybe I just have a bad memory. But I am here today to tell you, your memory is not the problem. The problem is the method. And today we are going to fix that leaky bucket forever. We're going to unveil a simple, creative system to remember new words and never forget them. I call it the mental movie method. Ready? Let's begin. So, why do we forget? Here is the big secret about our brains. Our brains are not designed to remember data. They are designed to remember stories, pictures, and feelings. When you try to remember a word just by repeating it, enormous, 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 you are giving your brain boring data. It's like a black and white text file. Your brain looks at it and says, "This is not important," and it deletes it. But when you give your brain a story or a strange picture or a strong feeling, your brain says, "Aha, this is interesting. This is important." And it saves that information in a special place forever. The mental movie method turns boring data into an unforgettable story. So, how do we create a mental movie? It's a simple 3-step creative process. Step 1. See it. For any new word, the first step is to create a strange, funny, or very strong picture in your mind. Let's take the word enormous. Enormous means very, very big. Don't just think the word, see it. Close your eyes for a second. Imagine a bright pink elephant. But this elephant is enormous. It's so big, it's sitting on your house and the roof is breaking. Can you see it? That crazy picture is the first part of your mental movie. Step 2. Feel it. Now ask yourself, how does this picture make me feel? Does an enormous pink elephant on your house make you feel surprised? Scared? Does it make you laugh? That feeling is the glue. It connects the picture to your memory. Let's say it makes you feel surprised. Step 3. Use it. Now you create one simple sentence that describes your mental movie. This is the script for your movie. For example, I feel surprised because there is an enormous pink elephant on my house. And that's it. You didn't just learn a word, you created an experience. You made a movie. Your brain will never forget that movie. Are you ready to create a mental movie together? It's fun. Let's use a new, beautiful word. Resilient. Resilient means strong enough to become healthy, happy, or strong again after something bad happens. Okay, let's go through the 3 steps. Step 1. See it. What is a picture for resilient? Let's imagine a small, beautiful flower. But this flower is not in a garden. It is growing through a crack in a dark, gray city sidewalk. The world around it is hard and ugly, but the flower is still growing. Can you see that little flower? Step 2. feel it. How does that picture make you feel? For me, it feels hopeful. It gives me a feeling of hope and strength. Step 3. Use it. Now let's write the script for our movie. That small flower is resilient because it is growing through the hard concrete. Perfect. Now the word resilient is not just data, it's a story of a strong little flower. Today, we unveiled a powerful secret. Your brain doesn't remember data, it remembers stories. So here is your mission. Choose just one new English word that you want to learn today. Just one. And become a director. Create a 3-step mental movie for it. See it, feel it, use it. And I would love to see your creations. In the comments below, tell me your mental movie. What word did you choose? And what is the strange, beautiful, or funny story you created for it? I can't wait to read them. Thank you for creating with me today. Clarity is a skill you can build. Practice smart, and I'll see you next time.